Alright, 1065 here, and here we have Deeogee, sent in by one of our friends in Lots of Bots. This poor fella is an absolute mess, along with his 111, who I forget the name.
Jaxa.
Yeah, her. So both these dogs are a hot mess, but this dog here has a high well, both dogs have a high chance of being fixed. This one here might just have the parts.
We already have parts on the way for the 111 too, so she has a 100% chance of being fixed.
Yep. Oh boy, here we go.
Here it comes.
As you can notice, there's two legs that are not going to be moving up and down. If I remember correctly, yeah, you see this leg here? I can move this one completely by hand. And this one I can move by hand too. Which I'm surprised this one actually even stood up. But you can see here, this leg ain't doing nothing. This leg here is literally just being supported by that leg and the leg behind it. So as you can tell, good balance though. Yeah, so stay tuned for more. See you on the next one.